Okay, so we'll do our bunny ears figure eight now. You're going to tie this just like a figure eight to start, but you'll want an extra long bite. So you'll see I've got an extra long bite of rope here. And right near the tail, 100 mil from the tail, about a fist away, you're going to do your first overhand bend, just like we start every other knot. Okay, once that overhand bend is in place, just complete your figure eight with an extra long bite through the front. Dress it up nice. Okay, once you've got your figure eight and your long bite, you take that long bite back through exactly where you came out. And before you pull through your two now bunny ears, you're going to capture them with that bite. And when you dress it, dress the capture loop in the middle of the knot. I'll ensure evenly distributed load. And now you can attach that to your main anchor point.